Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will discuss about the customer master. We have the sheet customer master today, and we want this to be synchronized with the SQL Server. In order to do this, you have to ensure that you have the table in the SQL Server. Yeah. So far, we have used these three tables, right? This is our target database, and we have connected it with the SQL, with the Microsoft Excel database, in which there are all series of the Northwind database that contains the customer table as well, right? So let's see, where is the customer table? The customer table is in the Northwind, for example. This is the this is the wisdom, and let's see, this is the customer extended, okay, and let's see, where is the customer table. So we have to make sure that this is the customer extended, and let's make sure that it is the same table which we want. This is the finally, these are the customer table. Okay, if we go and see what in our Excel, match it with what we have in Excel customer table. But I see this is the proper. Okay, until, and how many reports are there? Say 29 records with 29 IDs of customer we have, right? So let's go back to the SQL Server. So how many records are there? You can find it out. Yes, 29 records. Fine. So what we do here is that we press right click in here, and we will use this script to create a table which we want to target in our target database. That is my Northwind database. So it is now writing you the script. We just change, instead of wisdom, we write it my Northwind. Northwind. Okay. And here the name will be customer. Okay. Okay, that's it. Customers. It is customers. Make sure that the table name is properly spelled. It is only customer, and the table name has to be also the same way, right? So normally the users make these mistakes, and then they fall stuck into the problem, right? Customer. This is a customer table, and it's being created in this our database. Make sure that it is not already there, right? If you click here with and press F5 here, just to make sure that it is refreshed and there is no table like customer, right? So now this is being created. So press Control A and execute it, and you will get this information, this record that the command successfully executed. Okay. Commands completed successfully. Fair enough. Now you have a blank database. right? So you got to bring the data. You've got to bring the data where from from here. The customer, this one, inside in the wisdom, this is so in order to bring the data, you will go back here and you will select it. Okay? Yeah. And you will select it, control Alt and control C. And this is one way of doing it. There are different ways of doing it. Anyway, I'm just showing you one way at the moment. Okay, so press F5 so that you see the customer table here. Yeah, this is the target table with a blank report, right? So what we do is we open it in edit mode and we select this and we press Control V. Okay, we say OK and this is completed. Then you have all these 29 records added. Now you can view it of 1,000 and in here you order it by ID. Yeah. You put a star in here. Yeah. And remove the stop from here. Yeah. The star from this order by ID. ID. Okay. So this is the ID. And then you execute it. So this is the last one should be 29. Yeah, it is 29. Fair enough. So since you have the target database, and now this is the time to use implement it into our VBA code. We are taking you back to the VBA code here, right? Now we press Alt F11 to go to the VBA, and we remember we have this connect to SQL Server. In here, we have added this command. Okay. So this is now ready. And we put a breakpoint in here so that we see that it is happening properly since we are running for the first time, right? So what we do, we do F11 and press run. Okay, so this is the first thing it has done. Employee is done. The next is products. The products are synchronized. Now the third is the supplier. Yeah, supplier is also done. And this. So you see we are using a common procedure to do all this. Now this is first time we are executing it. Let's see how it does. It is now taking, we take you the whole, to the complete code. Okay, so order by, so here it is not needed. So you say one is equal to 1. Okay, means in any case you got to use this. Okay, so let's put a breakpoint here and we'll click it. Now it is going to synchronize for data on in the master in the customer sheet, right? And it is making this the record set SQL string, which is going to be used for opening the record set with this connection, and that's it. So as soon as it is selected, then it will come in here. And it has done the selection. The selection command is completed. Now it is doing the column heading synchronization, right? Here we have first is ID, whereas in there, in the other form means uh, in the SQL Server, if you see in the SQL Server, you have the first is file is ID is here. So these two extra columns will be put towards the right end. It will take in there. It will first synchronize the column headings, right? Okay, it's order 11. It is now synchronizing the columns. So what happens when we click in here before going to the rows area? That's it has added any extra columns which were not in there in here. Okay, that's fine. The next is the rows synchronization. Now it is writing the rows properly, and in the end, it is going to display you that everything is done, right? You can for your uh, so that you can see it happening, you can delete all the records from here, and let's see, and we run it. Right? We start running it. And we clear all the breakpoints and we would say run. So all the data is here. So the customer master is also now synchronized. Okay, we click OK, and that's it. So we go get back to the interface, right? And we can click the customer master like this. It has taken up all the information. For the rest is the same thing. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.